The koala, native to Australia, is a marsupial renowned for its cuteness and unique lifestyle. Surprisingly, they are not bears but marsupials, carrying their young in a pouch. Koalas are highly selective eaters, solely consuming eucalyptus leaf. Their fingerprints are almost indistinguishable from humans, and they have a keen sense of smell to find the best leaves. Despite their adorable appearance, koalas can be quite aggressive when defending their territory. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want to know more animal facts.